So Aini Ari Akira, she mentioned this question, asked this question. Can mistake be a fault? Thank you for your nice question. Now we will discuss mistake is fault or not. Can you see my slide?
Yes, sir, we can.
Very good. That's very general. Just forget about my slide. Just explanation. According to Penal Code Section 76 and 79 and other section, the mistake, if you commit any mistake and if your intention or belief was that you committed that mistake because you thought that you are bound by law. Okay, you thought you are bound by law to do that. So for this intention you did it. Then mistake is not a fault. Number two, if you think that if you do that you are justified by law, then it is not a, and if you made a mistake, then it is not a fault. For example, bound by law, you are a police officer, you are working at Gombak police station. Okay, your superior, your boss order you to do something. Okay, you did accordingly, but the order was the wrong order. You did something and it was unlawful, but you thought, okay, your boss order, so you're bound to do that, so you did this. So here you didn't, though it is a fault, but you didn't commit any fault. You will get the exemption because you will get the defense for this mistake. Maybe your superior will be punished by other law or other thing, by the department. It is another issue, but you will get the defense for this mistake because as a employee you are bound to do the order of your superior. This mistake you bound by law. And another thing is justified by law. For example, you are a police officer, so someone filed a case to against Adam Faris that he killed someone. Then according to the complaint, you are the police officer, you went to Gombak, Kasungai Chinchin to find Ahmad Faris. According to the description of the complainant, you arrest someone and you believe it is Adam Faris. But when you bring him to the court or police station, later you sent him to the court, then the court found that, or you found that, okay, this is not the same guy. His name also Adam Faris, but he is another guy. Then Adam Faris bring allegation against you for wrongful confinement or something else. Yeah, then you can use the mistake of fact. Here you can get the defense of mistake. So if you made any mistake and you believe that you are bound by law to do that, or you are justified by law to do that, then mistake of fact is not a fault. But mistake of law, if you do any mistake of law, then it is fault. Then there is no difference. What is mistake of law? What do you understand by mistake of law? Anyone?
You mistakenly understand the law?
Yeah? Maybe examples, any examples?
For example, like you think you can cross the street, but you can't actually, and like that, you have to use a zebra crossing.
Yeah, true. Good examples. If you made any mistake of law, then there is no excuse. If you do mistake of law, then you can say, okay, sorry, it's mistake law, it was a mistake. No, no excuse. Mistake of law is a fault, no defense. For example, you are driving, but suddenly, okay, red light on, but you cross the signal. Then the traffic police arrest you. Then you say, okay, sorry, when I was driving, I was thinking something else. I never did this type of things. Okay, no excuse. You violate the traffic line, you will get someone. You will get fined. Mistake of law is no excuse, no defense. Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
Sir, I have a question. What about for those foreigners who came as a tourist in Malaysia? They might the law that they have might be different here, but there are some cases that I found on the internet that they were sued because they were mistaken about the law here. What about that, sir?
Mistake of law, I mentioned mistake of law, there is no defense. Mistake of law, there is no excuse. If a foreigner, you are Malaysian, if you go to Singapore, so if you want, then Singaporean law will be applicable for you. You are going there, so you have to obedient about their law. You have to respect their law. If you came from America or Australia here and there, if you come to Malaysia, you have to obey the Malaysian law. You can't excuse that, okay, I am from Australia, so I don't know. No, no way. Mistake of law is crime. Okay? No excuse. If they sue, okay, if they can prove that, okay, it was mistake of fact or something else, okay, then if the court is happy, okay, then maybe they can get the benefit. But the general rule is mistake of law, no excuse, no defense. Okay, the law contained in section 76 and 79 of the penal code. Section 76, okay, just I mentioned, act done by person bound or by mistake of fact believing himself bound by law. If someone believes that he is bound by law to do that, but it was a mistake, then he will get the defense. 79, if someone made any mistake and if he can justify by law, that then he will get the defense. The maxim is ignorance of law is no excuse, but ignorance of fact is an excuse. Okay, ignorance of law, no excuse. So if you ignore any law, so if you say, okay, I don't know that it is an offense. Okay, someone came from, I discussed earlier, someone came from Thailand and start prostitution here. She is working here as a prostitute. Then she was arrested by the police. She said, okay, I am from Thailand, just I came last week. Thailand prostitution is not an offense, it's a profession, my profession, so I came here. So I thought, okay, I just do that same job. No excuse. Because it's in Malaysia, so prostitution is an offense here. So if you are here, you have committed your crime here, so you have to face the trial. Okay. So 76, section 76 and 79, mistake of fact. If you made any mistake in good faith, under 76, if you want to get the defense, then you have to prove that, okay, it was a mistake and you did it in good faith, you believe that it was bound by, you are bound by law. I mentioned earlier that a police officer, he get the order from his superior to do something, and in good faith he did it, yeah, and it was mistake, and he believed that, okay, my superior ordered me, my boss ordered me, so I am bound to do that. I'm bound by law, so he will get the defense. And under 79, so if you want to get the defense under 79, they have to prove that it was mistake of fact and you did it in good faith and believed himself justified by law. So then you will get the defense of mistake. Mistake made by judiciary officer. Okay, under Judicial Act section 77 and 78. So under section 77, nothing is an offense which is done by a judge when acting judicially in the exercise of any power which is or who is in good faith is believed to be given to him by law. A judge, when he is he's hearing some trial, okay, after the trial he gives a judgment. Okay, he is human being. He can make mistake. So he did it in everything. He did very good, nicely. Okay. Then when he gave the judgment, it was a mistake. Okay. Then he will get the defense, but we have to prove that he did it in good faith. Okay, it was a mistake and he did it in good faith. So he have to found that okay, I'm bound by law. I'm as a judge, I'm bound by law to give the judgment, but it was mistake and I did it in good faith. So then he will get the defense of mistake. At 79, nothing which is done in pursuance of, okay, in this section 78 under Judicial Act, okay, you are the judges, one case came to you and you thought, okay, it is under your jurisdiction. For example, if you commit any crime or if you bring any if you want to bring any allegation against someone, maybe you have to go to you are from Selangor, but you are in border area in Selangor and Pahang. So you are confused. So maybe you going to the Pahang court. So, and court believe that okay, she is or he is under my jurisdiction. But after judgment found that okay, she is from the Selangor. She is supposed to go to another court, but she came here. But in the meantime, court already gave the judgment. So it is a mistake of the court. A court supposed to, the police station, they supposed to identify his jurisdiction, or court supposed to identify his or her jurisdiction, but he didn't do it, he forgot, or mistakenly he did it. So this type of he can get the defense of mistake. So defense of mistake, last I discussed earlier, very important thing is you have to prove it was mistake. Then you have to prove you did it in good faith. Then you have to prove you are bound by law or you are justified by law. If you can prove, then you will get the defense of mistake. Ignorance of law is not an excuse. Here, few cases. Solong bin Nair versus public prosecutor, Muhammad Ibrahim versus PP. Okay, all the cases here. So all these cases is your homework. You have to read all the fact of these cases. All the case related to mistake of fact. If you understand the mistake, if you want to understand the mistake of fact, you have to read all the case nicely. And between mistake of fact and mistake of law. Yeah, here this difficult to determine as it requires a perfect approach. Very difficult to determine mistake of law, mistake of fact. You have to explain it, determine it by the fact, by the circumstances. Okay, then you have to identify. You have to, based on the judge's discretion, by looking the fact of each cases. Okay, anyone can apply to, just arise the the defense of mistake. Okay, if any allegation bring against someone else, then he can arise that okay, I want to get the defense of mistake. It was my mistake. Sorry. Okay. Then if you want to get the defense of mistake, you will get not like that. Everyone has the right to argue and to get the defense, to try to get the defense. Anyone can try. Okay, that means if you try, you will get not like that. So based on judge's discretion, judge will hear from you, and judge will hear from the opposition, judge will hear from the defense. Then judge will decide, okay, he will get the defense or not. Maybe judge will accept, okay. Maybe judge will reject, judge will refuse. Okay, it was not a mistake. It was ignorance of law, so no excuse. He will be punished like that. So, but based on the judge's discretion, by looking the fact of his cases, according to the fact, that judge will identify it was mistake of fact or mistake of law. Okay, you will get the defense or not. But you can arise the issue to the court. You can try to get the defense in the court. If you want to get the defense, okay, you have to try. You have to try. You have to prove it was mistake. You did it in good faith. You bound by law, or you are justified by law. You have to prove that. If you fail to prove that, you didn't get the defense. Burden of proof lies with the accused to prove that he believes he is committed an act which is bound by law or bound justified by law. If the judges found that it was a mistake of law, no defense is available for such ignorance of law.